What are standardized methods for paleoenvironmental reconstruction? Imagine piecing together a puzzle of Earth's past landscapes, climates, and ecosystems. That's what paleoenvironmental reconstruction is all about. To do this accurately, scientists relying on a set of proven, consistent methods. These methods help us understand what the environment was like when ancient humans and animals were around. One key technique is palynology, or pollen analysis. Scientists collect sediment samples from archaeological sites and extract tiny pollen grains. Under a microscope, they identify and count different pollen types. This tells us what kinds of plants grew in the area at specific times. Changes in pollen types over time reveal shifts in vegetation and climate. Palynology is a mainstay because it provides detailed snapshots of past plant life. Sedimentology and geomorphology are also important. Researchers examine the physical features of sediments, like grain size, composition, and layering. For example, fine clay layers might indicate a lake environment, while coarse gravel suggests a riverbed. Features like ripple marks or crossbedding show water flow directions and energy levels. Landform analysis through fieldwork and aerial photos helps reconstruct how the landscape changed over time. These physical clues help us understand depositional environments and landscape evolution. Chemical analysis adds another layer of information. Scientists analyze sediment chemistry, looking at indices like the chemical index of alteration, which indicates how much chemical weathering occurred. Higher values suggest warm, wet conditions, while lower values point to drier or cooler climates. Element ratios such as rubidium to strontium or manganese to titanium can also reveal past climate conditions like aridity or reducing environments. These geochemical tools help paint a picture of ancient weather patterns. Studying faunal and floral remains from archaeological contexts provides biological clues. Animal bones, plant microfossils, and preserved seeds reveal what species lived in the area. The types and proportions of these remains show habitat types, whether it was a forest, grassland, or wetland. For example, finding many herbivore bones suggests open grazing areas, while predator bones might indicate a rich food chain. Taphonomic analysis looks at how fossils and artifacts were deposited and preserved. By examining their orientation, articulation, and condition, scientists can infer environmental energy levels. For instance, a jumble of bones might indicate a high-energy flood event, while well-preserved, articulated remains suggest calmer conditions. High-resolution climate data from tree rings and ice cores also play a role. Tree ring analysis, or dendrochronology, can reveal annual climate variations like temperature and rainfall. Ice cores from glaciers contain layers of snow and ice that record climate changes over thousands of years. These records can be precisely matched with archaeological findings to reconstruct environmental conditions at specific times. Recently, artificial intelligence and predictive modeling have become part of the toolkit. By analyzing large datasets like pollen counts with computer algorithms, scientists can generate models of ancient vegetation and biome distribution. These models help visualize what past environments might have looked like, making reconstructions more efficient and reliable. All these methods work together to give us a detailed view of past environments. They help us understand how climate and landscape changes affected human societies, resource availability, and cultural development. Combining physical, chemical, biological, and computational approaches allows archaeologists to build a clearer picture of Earth's ancient worlds.